Do you have a Windows PC and you are sharing with someone and you don't want them to have access to specific files? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to lock and hide files from on your Windows PC from someone else having access to it. The good news is it doesn't require any third-party software and it only needs the Notepad software on your Windows PC and a little bit of coding that I'll paste in the comment section. So you just have to copy and paste it and save the file in a certain way for this to work. Also, follow this tutorial carefully so that you get what you are looking for. So it's very simple and straightforward. You're going to go to this link. I'm going to paste this link in the comment section. So this link right here. Then you're going to see the option to download the text file or the copy the code. So this is the code. You just copy the code. Then you go to where you want to be locking or hiding your files. So for me, you can do this anywhere. So for me, I've created a folder just for demonstration purposes, lock and hide files. Then you right click and you open new. Then you select text document. Once you select text document, you can choose to rename it right now or wait later on, but we'll do that later. So you just open it and then you paste the code that you just copied. So if you paste the code that you just copied, you're going to see this option here. This is where you use to set the password that you prefer. So we're going to see your password. You change this to any password of your choice. So I'm using Planet of Tech. Then once you are done, you come to Files, and under Files, you go to Save As. So under Save As, you are going to open this drop down and select All Files. Then you rename this file that you are going to save to locker.bat. So doing this creates the command that will be used to, it will create a specific folder that you can store your files inside. And when you run this command again, you're able to lock and hide those files as well, including the folder. So you save it. And once it's saved, you go back to where you saved it and you're going to see this locker. It's a form of Windows backed file. So you double click it. When you double click it, it's going to open this, create this folder here. This is where you'll be keeping and hiding your files. So let us just copy all our files. So let's just cut them so that no one else will have access to these files. And let's paste them in. Be careful not to copy the locker itself because you are going to lock the very thing you used to unlock there or the very thing you used to hide the files. So you make sure that you don't lock that one as well. Then you paste it in this private folder. Then you double click on this thing. Once you double click, you are shown the option, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Then you just click yes. So you type Y and hit enter. And that is it. It locks and hides the folder containing all the files. If you want to see your files again, you just have to double click and you'll be asked to enter the password that you set up during and whilst you're creating the file. So we use Planet of Tech and you hit enter and your folder reappears and you're going to see all the contents that you hid over there. So that is it. It's a simple, this is how you hide files on your Windows PC. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this or use it to prank your friends or something. And also, if you want to learn something new, don't forget to ask in the comment section. I'm going to do a video to cover that.